password na lang kaya o ano ba?
Easy to forget yesterday. And I prayed that you would stay. But then you're gone and I'm so far away.
Maya-maya. Ha? Maya-maya.
I was afraid this time would come. I wasn't prepared to face this time. Come with me. I have learned to live my life this life. Maybe I must dream of you tonight. Like if you come and touch me once again. I just keep on breathing till my heart is dead.
Hi, Tili!
Hi! Hindi tayo ng kandila, guys, para sa, alam mo na, araw ng mga patay. So, nandito
Ito
sila
yung isa.
Dapat nga lahat na to eh.
Ito yung isa kaya dapat butal.
Ilan ba dapat?
Lumas na butal, 11. Lagay mo 11. Okay na yan.
I have learned to live my life beside you. Maybe I'll just dream of you tonight. Running into my dream, you'll come and touch me once again. I just keep on feeling till my heart is dead.
11.
Oh.
Keep your dreaming, girl, my heart.
Ibroy! Oh, ano, dire. Ano ba yan itong present ba?
Oh, thank you, Lord.
Juan doesn't know what a smoke-free alternative is.
Tingnan mo nga, may nagsinda
Juan, ayun na nga, oh.
Sana ko. Kasi,
Are you like Juan?
wala signal kayo eh. Yung tindahan doon.
Kailan tayo salamat dito lang gusto ko.
Akan hindi ko ka?
Allah!
Di, mo na di.
Hindi natapon ako yung sulat.
Naghihirap pa yung tagay, hindi ko natapos yan.
Hindi, hindi mo dali. Kalito na pinom. Tapos sa ilan.
Ha?
Hindi mo maalis sa
Oo, sige. Okay na yan, okay.
Ha?
Okay na yan.
Number mo niya, 09?
75, 996, 743,
74?
38.
The best of me.
Sama yung pero. Pero ba?
Hindi naman.
But now